tazama yaliyo mapema ile.
Murugamiriri munene wa thukuru uyu Lincoln Njogu augita uhuthiri wa solar na pressure cooker ni uteithitie hanene hari kuguithia garama ya mahuthiro o undu umwe na kugacirithia maria maturigiceirie kuona riu ni manyihitie uhuthiri wa ngũ na gikiro kinene. Njogu augite ni mahotete kunyihia namba ya andu aria mariandikagwo gwatura ngũ, oho akiuga mirimu iria yumanaga na ndogo ya githuri riu ni hukite kaimana kuona gutire handu arugi maronana na ndogo.
Huthiti na njira nene muno tondu ta guku turahuthagira mafuti matatu mangu approximately ni ta 6000 na riu turahuthira o cia gukaranga tondu akorwo ni kindu ta ngima turahiuhia mai nayo tuga shift to other jikos igacoka ikaruga icio ingi ciothe throughout the day koguo turakorwo tugisave na njira nene muno around 3/4 tukorwo tugiconsume na ungitara cumulatively in a month or in a year ni mbeca nyingi muno.
Na tumeona ya kwamba when they cook meals kama githeri wanatumia 1 hour maximum. Kitambo walikuwa wanapika githeri na almost 4 hours, but today we are witnessing that wanapika the same meal na 1 hour. Tumeona ya kwamba jiko cool imesaidia shule sana kwa sababu the meals ni nzuri, because students like meals that are evenly cooked. Students wanapenda kukula vizuri kwa sababu if they don't kuna strikes.
Riu Mathukuru ni moretio kuhimbiria tafarira ino niguo kuhonokia uhuthiri wa ngũ na thitima, makiuga hari mwaka thukuru uyu ni urihotaga kuhonokia ciringi mirioni 1.5 iria cirahuthikaga hau kabere, na irio riu cirerugagwo na ndagika nini ikiringithanio na hau kabere.
Uhoro igi thitima iki mathabu mara turekire tuko tugisave around 1.44 million per year, na mbeca icio toria ngugite mbere-ini turahingurire kite ya orphans and vulnerable together we give back to the society, na already ntwambirie na ciana ciganona iria turoya ta cukuru andi makanini tugacie sponsor fully ile boarding na shopping na kila kitu ginya tour.
Mutaratara uyu wa gwikira mariko ma pressure cooker maria mahuthagira hinya wa riua Mathukuru maria kwa unyitaniri-ini na Ministry ya Githomo na Fegi ya KCB.
This school they've told us they were using 3 stacks of firewood every day, costing 2,000 per stack. Na hiyo ni almost 2 trees being cut every day to cook for students. So it means if the schools embrace jiko cool, first of all, we'll stop cutting trees. There's no smoke in the kitchen. The staff are healthier kwa sababu tumeona there is no smoke. The kitchen is very clean, and therefore we will be conserving the environment big time.
Ugo no jorie arimu aria mari guku Nyeri na Kenya yothe moke ma embrace the new technology in cooking, nigetha matigirire ati cukuru ciao ni meheria ndogo iria cirehaga mathina macukuru-ini ta mirimu ya githuri ni undu wa ndogo kuhaya, na madagitari ni maugite ndogo icio ni irarehe thina hari andu aria makoma mari riko makiruga. Uguo no njurie arimu ene macukuru ene colleges na TVETs ma embrace the new technology in cooking.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV de kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, njitagwo Nyaguthie wa Wambugu.